Ready. For the AF feeder, the first step is to remove loosen the screw that locks in the tape cover pin, and the pin comes out, tape cover comes off. Next step is to remove the tab on the side, the right side of the feeder. And that's just permanently removed. You're not going to need that anymore once the feeder finger is installed. There's another one on the left-hand side. That one can stay on. You can just loosen it and turn it so that it's out of the way, and then tighten it back up, or you can just remove it if you prefer. Next is to put the pin in that holds the feeder finger in place. It's got a laser mark, and the position of the of the slot needs to be parallel to the ground for the 4mm. For the 2mm, it'll be angled up a little bit, but there'll be a laser mark on the feeder finger that you align the slot and the screw with. This is important because it applies pressure to the cover so that the tape is held in the correct position for the feeder finger to work. So then just reinstall the pin with the feeder finger. Again, checking the alignment, which you can't see in this direction, that the slot is aligned with the laser mark, and then tighten the set screw, and it's complete.